Stop overspending on gear and start capturing your adventures with the best budget-friendly action cameras of 2026. First up, we have a powerhouse 4K to 60 FPS camera that solves the problem of shaky, low-resolution footage on a budget. This device stands out because it is waterproof down to 15 meters without needing an extra bulky case, making it perfect for snorkeling or rainy hikes. It features a responsive touch screen and 6-axis electronic image stabilization to keep your mountain biking clips looking professional and smooth. You also get a 64 GB card and dual batteries included, so you can film all day without worrying about storage or power. This is the ideal choice for helmet mounting if you want high frame rates for slow motion replays. Imagine hitting the trails and being able to review your crisp 48 megapixel photos instantly on the built-in screen. Next, at number 2, we are looking at a unique vlogging camera designed for creators who hate complicated setups. This pocket-sized tool solves the technical headache with one-button recording that works right out of the box, with no app required. Its standout feature is the 180-degree rotating lens, allowing you to switch from a POV perspective to a selfie view in a split second. With a massive 7-hour battery life, it is perfect for travelers who want to document an entire day at a theme park without carrying a charger. The slim design fits comfortably in your palm or clips onto a bag for hands-free recording. If you are a beginner looking for a simple, reliable way to start a daily video log, this is your best bet. Now for number 3, this 4K 30 FPS action camera is the ultimate kit for underwater explorers who need maximum durability. It solves the depth limit issue with a specialized waterproof housing that lets you dive down to 131 feet, which is significantly deeper than most entry-level cameras. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures you capture the entire reef or landscape in a single shot. It comes with a 64 GB SD card and a full accessory kit, including helmet mounts and a remote control for easy operation while the camera is out of reach. This is a great pick for scuba divers or surfers who want to record their sessions without spending a fortune. Picture yourself capturing clear 20 megapixel stills of marine life while controlling the shutter from your wrist. Coming in at number 4 is a sleek 4K pocket camera that solves the frustration of running out of storage mid-adventure. This model features 64 GB of built-in memory, meaning you never have to faff around with tiny micro SD cards again. It boasts a 270-degree rotating lens and a dual light design, which helps eliminate blurriness when you are filming in low light conditions or at dusk. The reinforced anti-brake body makes it tough enough for intense sports like rock climbing or skating where gear often takes a beating. You can also use the built-in Wi-Fi to quickly transfer clips to your phone for a fast social media upload. This is perfect for the active commuter who wants a rugged body cam, for daily cycling safety and fun weekend highlights. And finally, number 5 is the Pro Xtreme 4K, a versatile adventure companion built for those who need reliable image stabilization. It solves the issue of blurry action shots with its internal stabilization and a 170-degree wide-angle lens that mimics the human field of view. This camera is highly adaptable thanks to its multiple mounting options, making it easy to transition from a surfboard to a car dashboard. It features built-in Wi-Fi for remote monitoring, which is incredibly helpful when you have the camera mounted in a spot you can't easily see. This is the go-to option for extreme sports enthusiasts who want a classic action cam form factor that can handle mud, snow, and surf. Use it to record your next skiing trip and enjoy the ultra-wide perspective of the mountain. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best current deals on all 5 of these cameras. Please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you never miss our latest tech, deep dives, and gear guides. Comment below and let me know which of these cameras you are picking up or what gear you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.